Hi there, it's Dawn at Stickletown. Oh, let me take them off. Yes, as you can see, I am out cycling on my bike. It has been my ambition since we moved here 9 years ago to be able to cycle up to the top of the mountain to the Peace Monument. And my old bike, which was just normal pedal power, as much as I tried, because I was having real problems with my lungs at the time, couldn't do it. Managed to sort of get perhaps a mile down the road and then have to walk back. But then I was building up to it and I thought, well, I know I can do it. I've cycled along the Nile, I've cycled up through the Valley of the Kings in Egypt, so I kept persisting. And then, of course, what happened? August 2 years ago, the opportunity came up for me and my grandson to buy a pair of power-assisted bikes. And I thought maybe that's the way I've got to go around here, because there is so many mountains. There's no flat areas at all to cycle, really. So we bought them, and then September the 12th, which was about three weeks after we'd got the bikes, 4 weeks. September the 12th was when I was struck down with my leak, and that's 2 years ago next week. So since then I've not been out cycling because it wasn't advised. So now I'm 10 months since my repair, and all signed off by the doctors. I know they think I've got another leak, but I'm not giving in to it this time, and I'm just going to continue with my life and continue cycling. So today I've managed to get up. Let me scan you around to the top of the mountain, where we live. This is Llanthlwni Mountain. And I'm so pleased I've actually made it to the top. It's only 3 miles, but it's 3 miles more or less uphill. And of course now I have to make the journey home, which will be a lot easier. So thank you very much for tuning in. And if you have got a CSF leak, spinal or cranial, mine was cranial, but if you have got spinal or cranial, don't give up. Life will get better. You will get your repair one day, and like me, hopefully you'll be back on the road. Thank you very much for watching.